The iPhone is better, the HTC is better. Let's find out.
So here is the HTC One M9 Plus in my hand and I'll play all the high-end games. I have already set the timer for 15 minutes. I'll play the game for around 15 minutes and after that we'll check the temperature. After 15 minutes, what is the temperature like? So let's start with Asphalt 8. And I'll play only two high-end games, which is Asphalt 8 and Modern Combat 5. Now both of them are very high-end games. So it would be better to compare both the devices after playing these two games. And I will play 15 minutes on HTC One M9 Plus. And for the next 15 minutes, I'll play games on the iPhone 6. And after that, we will check the temperature on iPhone as well. So you be the judge and decide which one gets much hotter in 15 minutes of gameplay. And after the gaming, we will test multitasking on both the devices. We will open some applications at a time and we will switch from one app to another app just to see if multitasking is good on which device, either on iPhone 6 or HTC One M9 Plus. Now I really like the gaming on the HTC One M9 Plus only for one reason, that is the front facing speakers of the HTC One M9 Plus. They are really good and that is what enhances the gaming experience on the HTC One M9 Plus. Also do remember that HTC One M9 Plus comes with octa-core processor and the octa-core processor devices are getting heated up after continuous gameplay of about 10 to 15 minutes. So we will check the temperature after 15 minutes of gameplay. I have set the timer for 15 minutes. You can see that on the iPhone 6. Let's see which performs better.
Let's get out of here. We've got company. Keep on firing. Shit! Chopper! More incoming. Keep them off of us. Hang on. Back up and out of the way. Hold tight. Hold tight. I need immediate back.
So as you guys can see that I have already played games for about 15 minutes now and the temperature on the front side is 45 to 46 degrees, which is above normal. The normal temperature it should be is around 45 degrees, but that's okay. We have played games for about 15 minutes and at the back side you can see the temperature. Although the temperature is very low, but it feels really hot because it is made out of metal. So do keep in mind that it feels really hot even though the temperature is not very hot. Now let's try multitasking on this device. I have opened up various applications including two high-end games like Asphalt 8 and Modern Combat 5. And I'll play games for about 4 to 5 seconds and I'll switch on to next application. You can see I'm clicking pictures with the camera app over here. Now let's again go back and go to calculator. We will calculate something Let's again go back and play Modern Combat 5. So it is reconnecting. I'll play this game for about 5 to 7 seconds, and after that we will switch on to another application, and we will do this back and forth just to see how it performs while doing multitasking on this device. MC5 is getting reconnected every time I open it, but I can play the game from where I left, so that is really nice. As this game works on internet, that is the reason it gets reconnected every time. Although I'm not very happy with the gameplay while playing Modern Combat 5 on HTC One M9 Plus. Multitasking. Now let's close this application and move on to another game. Let's play Asphalt 8 for a few seconds. Now let's move back. Let's use camera application and let's go again to Asphalt 8. Let's play it for a while. Now let's play Modern Combat 5 again. And you can see that it is not responding and it have restarted again. So that was multitasking on HTC One M9 Plus. Now let's play games on iPhone 6. Let's play Asphalt 8. And do note that I am playing games on highest graphics settings on both the games. Although the display of iPhone 6 is not a 2K display, but it looks really nice. The graphics are rendered properly, and in that sense, in graphics sense, it looks really nice compared to Android devices or particularly HTC One M9 Plus. Although the audio experience on the HTC One M9 Plus is amazing because of the boom sound speaker on the front. Although there is no boom sound speaker on the iPhone 6, but the gaming experience on iPhone 6 is good enough. Guys, if you really liked it, the way we compared both the devices, make sure you share this video with all your friends who own an iPhone 6 or who are planning to buy a HTC One M9 Plus. We will really appreciate that because we played games for about 30 minutes in a room without a fan, and the temperature here in Mumbai is around 35 to 40 degrees right now. It is summer. So you can judge how difficult it would be to play games for about 45 minutes in a room without fan. So as you can see that I have played games for about 15 minutes now. You can see the temperature on the front side is around 46 degrees. It is going to 46 degrees, which is the highest on the front side. Now let's take a look at the temperature on the back side. So it is feeling a bit warm at the back side, and the temperature is around 44 degrees at the back side on the iPhone 6 after playing games for about 15 minutes. Now you can see that I have opened up a lot of applications just to see how the multitasking is on this device. I have actually opened up applications which I opened on the HTC One M9 Plus just to compare that how good is the multitasking on the iPhone 6. Now let me play this game for about 4 to 5 seconds. Now let's go back and let's play another game for a few seconds, and I'll go back and forth again and again, and I'll stop when the game restarts. Now let's go back again. Now let's take some pictures. Let's take continuous shots. Now let's again go back and open calculator for now. Let's calculate something. Let's go back again and open some application. Now let's play Asphalt 8 and you can see that it restarted again. So this was the multitasking test on the iPhone 6. It could not hold up against the HTC One M9 Plus because HTC One M9 Plus was doing a great job while multitasking. So this was the quick gaming and multitasking comparison of HTC One M9 Plus with the iPhone 6. And also we have checked the temperature. So if you guys have liked it, please hit that like button down below. Also post your comments and queries in the comment section. I try to answer most of them. You can follow me on Facebook, Twitter and Google+. And the links for the same will be in the description down below. And also you can subscribe to my channel for more such videos. And I'll be coming up with a lot of videos on HTC One M9 Plus. So make sure you hit that subscribe button. Also you can visit aatechnology.in for more details. And this is Saurabh Nahar here from All About Technologies. Thank you guys for watching.